Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to create a layout in ArcGIS Pro, a professional layout for any of your shapefiles, the data prepared, or any maps, anything. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use the map of Bhavalpur from Pakistan. So, for a brief and detailed review of what how to set the layout using ArcGIS Pro, you can check out this blog by SG that by themselves. Here you will find a very good explanation of how to make a layout, and we are going to uh, see how to create this layout. So the first step in this process will be opening your project file in which you are working on. After opening that file, you must go to Insert tab, and here we will click New Layout. So here you can see different presets of existing layouts that are given different sizes and in different modes: portrait, landscape, etc., and on different scales. So we can use one of these, or if you guys prefer, you can select any custom page size, any you can import a layout file if you have set and created it already. So but in this, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use a, preset layout, and in preset we are going to use the size A3 as a portrait. Now here we have, now of course different people have different use for the layout, and according to your own need you can set the layout as well. Here are, starting with this section, because this section is related to project. So starting with this section, we have map frames, and we have map surrounds in which we can give our map a node scale, a scale bar, a legend, a chart frame if you have, a table frame if you require that, and there are different preset of graphics and text inside this layout as well. So for the sake of only this tutorial, I'm not going to uh, be any advanced in this. We will see on the basic level what we really need in a simple layout, and you guys can use any format, any map, anything you want to add. So starting with this, we are going to use the rural here for the perfect lines and for straighten our layout. Here you can see a dotted line, so wherever you want to place your rural, select that and add a guide there. Similarly, I'm going to add a guide almost here. The same goes to, we can adjust that guide according to our own needs. So I was 25 points around here, so there I am also going to be 25 points from this side as well. Here we are. So similarly, we can place the guides using the horizontal ruler as well, and to this side as well. So this give us something to snap on, and if you are having trouble in snapping, you can turn on snapping directly from here. After this, we are going to insert our map frame. Now be careful, if you are opening if you have opened various maps, it will show you different maps. So select the map which you have to show on this layout. I was going to show this map, so I have only opened this map. I will select that map, and here you can see the ageness of guides. we can simply place and snap our map frames as according to our need on the guides. So I'm going to place the map just around here. Yes, that will be nice. After that, I'm going to place the north arrow, simple, uh, sophisticated north arrow, and we can zoom in, zoom out according to our own need. After that, we can use, there are different set of scales here in different units, imperial, metric as well. I'm gonna use metric scale, simple metric scale, and place it around almost here. I only need the scale to be 2 kilometers, so I'm going to use that, and let's place it around here. For that, you can place a scale, dynamic scale there as well by using the dynamic text. You can place camera, map units, map data, name, relative scale, scale, whatever you need. But for now, I do not require any of that. I'm now I'm going to change this to circle. After changing this to circle, we will insert another map frame of that same map just for the sake of showing it as a layout map. Now we're going to place it. I have told you earlier, you can place these things wherever you want to place them according to your own need. I'm going to place them here for now. Now I want to show a layout which is a bit layout map which is a bit uh, zoomed out map of an existing map in our terminologies. So I'm going to go do that. Now one other key thing is you're going to go to layout. Now here are different layout tools as well, but to zoom in and zoom out and to edit something that you may think of you don't want to show in the map, you click on activate, and after clicking on that we're going to use or scroll, mouse scroll, to show what the part we are actually want to show. So I think so only this will be enough. We'll close it. There is our layout map. After placing our layout map, I'm going to place the legend, which is another key part. There are different type of legends you want to place. I'm going to place legend 6. And here we have, now you can see as I have only placed the map frames and sorry, the base maps, which does not contain any data. That is why the legend is empty. But whenever you are going to use any shapefile which contains any data, the legend will be according to that. So we can do that, and simply we can add text inside legend as well. We can edit out our legend by simply going to the properties and using all the information given here. You can tune out this according to your own need. You can change the properties, you can limit what type of the things to show and which elements are not you want, so that they must not be shown in the legend. You can edit out, tune out everything as per your need. So I'm going to leave it like this for now. Now towards the end, I'm going to share the title, which surprisingly is a funny thing, because I must have placed it first because it is a title, but it's alright. I'm going to place it now as the all other things. You can place title wherever you need it, and you can edit it as you want. So this is the map of Bahawalpur main city. Now We can use this to place wherever we want it to be, in center, in middle, and once again we can edit these in the settings. We can change the colors, position, everything we want. Now, after all doing all of this, we are going to simply remove all guides. By removing all guides, we can see the proper look of our layout. We can give the borders to our layout by adding rectangles and hollowing them out like this. Uh, Let me show you guys. Yes, so we can go to the properties of the rectangle, so select no color, add a border, add a width to it that is required by you, obviously. Mm, enough. So after all, one another key thing I must mention in this is, if you wanna select and place everything in order, you can simply select this, and wherever you will place it, it will be on or below that object. And you can simply lock this as well, so you do not accidentally move them or do anything to them, or and you can place them as well wherever you want to place them. So at the now, towards the last step, we're going to click on share tab. You can print your layout, you can export your layout. I'm going to export this as a PDF. You can select the location wherever you want to place it and click on export. So I'm going to export it and show you guys the final output. So this is our final output of the layout. Let me full convert it into full screen. Here we have it. We have the map, we have the legend, we have a scale, layout map, and the title below it. So here, that's all from my side for today's video. I hope this will help you guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.